Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What do you do every morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work as a teacher.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak two languages.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, I do.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I have one.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 p.m.
Do you drink milk every day?
Yes, I do.
How often do you watch TV?
I watch TV every evening.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it.
What do you do when it rains?
I stay at home and read.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love ice cream.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Are you afraid of the dark?
No, I'm not.
Do you like working in the garden?
Yes, I love planting flowers.
How do you relax after work?
I listen to music and rest.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the beach.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I do.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I talk to my friends.
How often do you clean your room?
I clean it every weekend.
What's your lucky number?
My lucky number is 7.
Do you like the winter season?
Yes, I enjoy the cold weather.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter.
Can you whistle?
Yes, I can.
Have you ever seen snow?
Yes, I have.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I love surprises.
What's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to travel the world.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family.
What's your favorite flower?
I love roses.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
What do you usually do before sleeping?
I read a book or listen to music.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I celebrate with my family and friends.
How do you start your day?
I start my day with a cup of tea.